Welcome to Fragments Map. Today I'm in Arncliffe in South Sydney to take part in a traditional scroll painting workshop hosted by Bayside Libraries to celebrate the Chinese Lunar New Year. I'm an Irish registered professional with university qualifications in architecture, currently living and working here in Sydney. Fragments Map is an externalization of my creative practice, a place where I bring fragments of information together in a process of discovery. I acknowledge the Bidjigal people, the traditional custodians of the land in which this workshop took place, and pay my respects to their elders past and present. Today we explore the making division of Fragments Map. Céad Míle Fáilte Road, 100,000 welcomes to you. Let's begin.
Leave the space, keep going. It's the side of the brush and like a bone shape. Yeah. I just worry about your plastic colors.
So this is the
Yeah, you have to not use much water. Have a look. Yeah, this one. The basic structure, just give some pencil lines. And after that, you sketch onto it. Always some flower just right in front of you. You can leave space. Yeah. Some flowers here, you don't need to leave too much spaces. Yeah. If you use a big amount of ink,
No face.
special ink. Yeah. It's a penny. Oh yeah, this one. The dark one, you can add a little bit. Ink. Yeah. The front one. Yeah. Now we just show you.
This is really your practice.
Yeah, you can use. Yeah. I think it's better do it. Otherwise, 2 hours is very fast. Yeah, pencil first. Flowers.
这样，
对，yes。
哦，我应该说不要很凶猛。
This is for us to put it.
Yeah, the detail of the flower. Maybe the water this way. Yeah, to even, 3 even. So maybe make 1, 2, 3. That's good. Press late.
我在中间的时候是按笔，
Yeah. 压下去. Not too fast. This one you gotta change.
我学你的这个。
Yeah. So this one too like even.
不好呀，最好不要一样啊。
Let me change to that one. So the backward. Yeah. That page.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
I know that it's 20 people got in.
Tomorrow
也
is
是很激烈。
I can't see it yet, but do you have a mobile phone?
Yeah, lines and dots.
你有空可以帮我看一下。
可以。
忘掉了。
Yeah, that's right. So this one maybe these two gave some join together.
再讲一点
Join the
呀。
leaves together. Yeah. Change 不怕了。
always
Too,
very
this will be too small. Yeah, I know this one's a sharp.
Yeah.
The one, just make it bigger.
This one or what? Is it this?
Yeah, this one too small.
Oh, too small.
Too small.
Here, big one.
Yeah, some big one like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful. That's good.
Do you think you should fix it up anywhere, or do you think
I think it's okay. Just some little branches.
Not this wet paint, this pastel powder, and then we use it as
I think some little branches.
there's some tools and new provided.
Tiny ones.
Did you know? You look
Or this brush. It's okay. This slowly. This brush.
可以 take a photo。可以无所谓无所谓。
对，photo 好一点。Doesn't matter. This one can be the background.
Without her help, I cannot make my dream come true.
she doesn't mean to be.
You can try some different things. It's good already. Just this one. Actually, your yeah, yeah.
很好耶。
这里可以多一点点，
多一点点
对对，这边看，因为它你这个就是 like 这
哦
边多一点，
，OK，
这边多一点，对，你现在这边 OK， 这边就多一点点。
OK， 谢谢你。
Then should I 多一点点 somewhere?
OK OK。
它这个中间太少了。
The bamboo is hollow, so before the bamboo shoot out, it is already very humble.
Anyone like to have a good photo?
Oh yeah.
Of your masterpiece?
Oh yeah.
So that was the traditional scroll painting workshop. I was very grateful for the opportunity to take part in this free community event. Being in the presence of others who are all working on the same thing is quite inspiring. I don't think that I would have been able to make this painting if I had been sitting by myself at home. I really liked the workshop format. Having the process condensed into just 2 hours forced me to produce a finished result. I really missed the feeling of being in the zone, and this workshop allowed me enough time to myself to finally get back into the zone for a project. This was actually the first time that I've made a finished art piece in over 2 years. I was pleasantly surprised with the result. The painting is now hanging here in my office, off the end of the bookshelf. If you check the description box, you can see that this workshop took place in early 2025. A whole year later, I got a leaflet in the post from Bayside Council, and lo and behold, there was a painting that I made right in the centre of the leaflet. It was immensely satisfying to see my own work in print like that, even though it was uncredited. In the next video, I'll be back in Arncliffe to shift my focus from ink and paper to iron, sand and a Cloisonné workshop. I do hope that you'll join me then. Please subscribe if you would like to discover more of my fragments. Go to me and I'm a agus long before.